Alright, so if you're wondering about the cars that we used in this video, this one here's my X-Maxx, this one here's my Traxxas Trx-4. On the Traxxas Trx-4 we're running some China alloys, they're 2.2 inch. We've got some super swamper tyres on there from Proline, and they're a little bit too big really. We just put them on there for a little bit of fun and for this video. I don't normally run it on these tyres because it just makes it a bit too top heavy. The whole thing actually, guys, it could do with a rebuild. We've got the old Castle Creations Mamba X combo in here, so loads and loads of power. It can run 6S, well the ESC can. The motor can't really, even though I have run it on 6S, and the thing goes stupidly fast. So we will be doing a speed run on that soon, guys, just to see what the top speed actually is. My goal is to get it over sort of, I don't know, 60 mile an hour, 60 mile an hour in a crawler. Who knows, but we're going to try. And it probably won't do it on these tyres, but I've got plenty of other tyres up here. I've got some tyres on here from a Slash. So if it doesn't do it on crawler tyres, then we'll definitely give it a go on some of these like more sort of speedy type tyres. Now, as I said, the whole thing needs a rebuild. It's getting tired. All the servos are kind of not working. Look, the diff thing's not even connected here. The high and low gear change keeps interfering, so it's really getting tired. It's been in water. The servo in here is kind of, it's not really meant for bashing on crawlers. So all the gears in here have got loose and it's lost most of its power. But what I have got, I've got a Power HD 20 kg waterproof servo. Just a cheapo servo, but I've been told they're pretty good. So I'm going to be sticking that in there soon and see how we get on. So as for the X-Maxx, I'm running these Proline Badland MX tyres. I don't usually run these. I'm a bit more of a hardcore basher, and these things are a bit too heavy and a bit too hard for hard bashing. But on my standard Traxxas wheels, they're all sort of coming off the rims. So I've kind of put these back on for now. I really love the way they handle. I like the way they perform. I like the way they drive. But they're just a little bit heavy and hard for when you're doing hard bashing. In here, as you can see, I've got a GoPro mount just for getting some of them cool shots. And yeah, this needs a bit of work as well. One of the last sessions we took it out, it bust the shock off. So we've got to fix that, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you like that video, guys. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that bell button to stay notified. We've got plenty of videos coming up. I'm still working on this RC course. You know, it's pretty much got all my knowledge in there from what I've built up in all the. I started RC when I was 10 years old. I'm 37 years old now, so I've been doing RC for 27 years, most of my life. And pretty much everything I've ever learned is going to be in that course, and it's going to be cheap as well. I'm going to make it affordable for everyone. There's going to be repair tips in there, modification, vehicle choice, driving style, all the stunt techniques, everything like that. How to beef up your vehicle so they take the abuse better, how to solder, how to wrench, everything's going to be in there. And I'm going to tell you more closer to the time. I've been working hard on it. That's why there's not been that many videos recently, guys. So I've been spending all my time building this course, trying to get it as good as I possibly can. But we're getting there, guys, and I should hopefully be releasing that fairly soon. So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. See you soon, guys. Bye.